Hey guys, as I promised you in the last video, I would let you take a look inside. So what you're about to see is where we're almost done renovating the building for our new appliance repair training school, real hands-on training school that's located northeast of Memphis. Our first class is May the 22nd through May the 25th of this month. So let's take a look. Here's the frontage. So that's the building we're going to change out that you're going to see shortly. Here it is. This is the beginning stage. This is day 2. They've knocked out a lot of the walls and they're going to paint. I'm gonna try to get as much of the view as I can. And then as you can see, this is a large area. A lot of the appliances, we're gonna display them like they're in the homes so you guys get the full effect of how they're plugged in, how to uninstall them, and actually troubleshoot and repair them. That's the concept. That's what those rooms back there are for. And we will have extra appliances so you guys can troubleshoot and repair those as well. But we will have all the major appliances attached, working, so that when you walk into the home, it won't be new to you. You'll know exactly what to do. But what we're going to teach you prior to that is really going to drill down on what to look for even before you see it. That's what you want to know. You should have a clear idea and know exactly what to expect before you walk into the customer's home. So we're going to do all that for you, and we're going to get you taken care of so you are confident. This is one of the rooms. You're seeing a little bit closer. It's rooms to the right, large one to the left. We got the open bay area, the whole 9. So again, you will enjoy the training. You're gonna learn a lot, and you're gonna have extra time in the evenings to continue to practice on some of the appliances you feel like you want to go over even more. If you have any questions, give us a call. As always, be blessed and be encouraged.